Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole in a food processor. Start by halving and pitting ripe avocados, then scoop them into the processor bowl and pulse to coarse texture. Add lime juice, salt, chopped onion, cilantro, and jalapeno, then pulse until combined but still chunky. Taste and adjust seasoning, and serve immediately with chips or use as a fresher topper for salads and tacos, and enjoy. Use a food processor to save time and control texture when making guacamole, and always pulse rather than puree. Start with short pulsing bursts to break down avocado while keeping some chunkiness, scrape bowl sides between pulses for even mixing, and avoid overprocessing to prevent a gluey texture. Finish by folding in extra diced tomatoes or cilantro by hand and chilling briefly to let flavors meld before serving. Experiment with flavors to match your meal and spice preference, and keep balance between acid, salt, and heat. Mix in roasted garlic or ground cumin for depth, serve with diced mango or pomegranate for sweetness, or stir in crumbled cottage cheese for richness. If storing, press plastic against the surface and refrigerate to slow browning, and bring back to room temperature before serving to revive brightness and texture every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.